In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable automatic downloads on Google Chrome. Understanding how to control automatic downloads is a valuable skill for managing your browsing experience, particularly if you're concerned about privacy or just want more control over the files downloaded from the web. First things first, let's start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have it up and running, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the window. You'll notice 3 vertical dots, one above the other. These dots represent the main menu in Chrome, and by clicking on them, you'll open a drop-down menu with a range of options. The next step is to click on Settings from this drop-down menu. This selection will direct you to a new page where all the various settings for Google Chrome are housed. It's where you can customize the way your browser works in a multitude of ways, but today, we are focusing on just one specific aspect. Now, look over to the left-hand side menu. Here you will find various options. You'll want to click on Privacy and Security. The privacy settings in Chrome are essential for controlling what information is shared when you browse the internet. Once you are in the Privacy and Security section, continue by clicking on Site Settings. This is where you control how websites interact with your browser. Scrolling down this page will lead you to the Permissions section. Permissions are crucial because they determine what actions sites can take while you're browsing. In the Permissions section, you'll see an option for Additional Permissions. You'll want to click on this to delve deeper into specific permission settings. Here is where you will find the option for automatic downloads. This is what we've been working our way towards. When you see automatic downloads, go ahead and click it. Now you're at the point where you can really exercise control over downloads. You'll notice there are 2 main options to choose from. The first option is, sites can ask to automatically download multiple files. This is Chrome's default setting and, as you might guess, it allows sites to request the ability to download multiple files automatically. It gives you the choice every time. The second option is, don't allow sites to automatically download multiple files. Selecting this option will disable automatic multiple downloads, providing an added layer of security and control. This is especially useful if you oversee a shared device or browse sites where downloads may be unintentional. Feel free to choose the option that best suits your needs. And there you have it. With these steps, you can now easily manage automatic downloads on Chrome, putting you firmly in control of your browsing experience.